Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to clean and breast a grouse. The easiest way to get their intestines out is to take 1 foot on each wing, step on it, and grab them by the legs and pull straight up. That doesn't always work, and if it doesn't, then you just skin them like anything else and get it out that way. So I'll try and show you that way, and if it doesn't work, we'll go with the other way. As you can see, that worked to get most of everything off, and now we just have to neaten it up a little bit and get the rest taken care of. So I'm going to take my knife out and get rid of the wings and clean up the rest of what needs to be cleaned up. Right in there, there's a joint that you can cut on, and that pops the wing right off. Same thing with this side. Nice joint that you can cut in, and it's right in there. There's a little piece right in there that you can cut, and it lets everything else fall out through. Same thing on this side. And then sometimes you have to go in, and there's some small connective tissue that you just cut out. And there it is, the end product. You can clean it up a little bit. Sometimes I cook it like this in the oven, make a bake out of it, or sometimes I'll take the breast meat right off and do a grouse stir fry or something like that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a successful hunt.